Most candidates don't fail the Microsoft Endpoint Administrator Associate exam because it's too hard. They fail because they underestimate what the exam actually tests. These aren't basic theory questions. They're designed to evaluate how you think in real-world scenarios. If you're a candidate preparing for the Endpoint Administrator exam, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll tackle realistic practice scenarios, learn how to break them down, and understand what the exam is really looking for. Pause the video, think through each question, and commit to an answer before we reveal it. Let's begin. Your organization uses Microsoft Intune to manage devices, and you need to ensure that only compliant devices can access corporate resources through conditional access. What should you configure? A. Device configuration profiles. B. Compliance policies. C. Enrollment restrictions. D. App protection policies. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Compliance policies. Explanation. Compliance policies define the rules and conditions a device must meet to be considered secure. These policies integrate directly with conditional access to block non-compliant devices. Question 2. You want to deploy new Windows devices with minimal user interaction using Windows Autopilot. Which deployment mode should you use? A. User-driven mode. B. Hybrid Azure AD join mode. C. Pre-provisioned mode. D. Self-deploying mode. Think carefully. This is where many candidates slip. The correct answer is D. Self-deploying mode. Explanation. Self-deploying mode allows devices to be automatically configured without user credentials, ideal for kiosks or shared devices. Question 3. Your company allows employees to use personal devices but wants to protect corporate data within apps. What should you implement? A. Device compliance policies. B. Endpoint security policies. C. Configuration profiles. D. App protection policies. If you're thinking like a pen tester, this should be clear. The correct answer is D. App protection policies. Explanation. App protection policies secure corporate data at the application level without requiring full device enrollment. Perfect for BYOD environments. If you want more realistic Endpoint Administrator practice questions like these, especially the tricky exam-level ones, check out Certs Hero. It's designed specifically to simulate the real exam environment and help you identify weak areas faster. Question 4. You need to deploy Windows updates gradually across your organization to minimize risk. What should you use? A. Update rings. B. Feature update policies. C. Compliance policies. D. Endpoint analytics. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is A. Update rings. Explanation. Update rings let you deploy updates in stages, starting with a small test group and gradually expanding to all devices. This helps catch issues early and reduce risk before full rollout. Question 5. You want to block access to company resources from outside your organization's trusted locations. What should you configure? A. Endpoint detection and response. B. Device compliance policies. C. Named locations in conditional access. D. Configuration profiles. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is C. Named locations in conditional access. Explanation. Named locations in Microsoft Entra ID let you define trusted IP ranges or locations. You can then use these in conditional access policies to block or allow access based on where users are signing in from, helping protect company resources from external or untrusted locations. Question 6. Your organization uses on-premises Active Directory and Azure AD, and all devices are hybrid Azure AD joined. You need to ensure that only hybrid Azure AD joined devices can access Microsoft 365 services using conditional access. What should you configure? A. Require device to be marked as compliant. B. Require hybrid Azure AD joined device. C. Require app protection policy. D. Require multi-factor authentication. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Require hybrid Azure AD joined device. Explanation. This setting specifically enforces access only from hybrid Azure AD joined devices. Option A, compliant device, is broader and may include devices that are not hybrid joined, making it less precise for this requirement. Question 7. You need to monitor update compliance and generate detailed reports for Windows devices managed by Intune. Which solution should you use? A. Windows Update Rings. B. Windows Update for Business Reports. C. Endpoint Analytics. D. Device Compliance Policies. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Windows Update for Business Reports. Explanation. While Update Rings manage deployment, Windows Update for Business Reports provide detailed monitoring, compliance tracking, and reporting, which is exactly what the question requires. In this video, you practiced real Endpoint Administrator exam questions, and this is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into endpoint security, identity integration, and advanced Intune configurations, all aligned with the Microsoft Endpoint Administrator Associate exam. If you're serious about passing this exam, don't rely on random questions. Visit certshero.com and start practicing with real exam-level questions that actually prepare you for the test. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep pushing forward. Your certification journey starts now.